Welcome back. I'll bet your mom loves music, so why not take her to a special concert featuring 3 legendary acts for Mother's Day weekend? It'll be a concert you and your mother will love. I'm here at the Carpenter Theater at Center Stage. The Spring Passion Tour, including Dru Hill, Sisqó, Jagged Edge, and SWV, will be here Mother's Day weekend. These legendary groups make the Spring Passion Tour the hottest ticket in town. Just imagine, every seat filled with screaming fans. Dru Hill on stage, SWV filming live for the 2nd season of their hit reality series, SWV Reunited. There's not a bad seat in the house. Dru Hill is known for their musical mix of soulful R&B, rock, hip-hop, and romance. Their top 40 hits include In My Bed, Beauty, These Are the Times, and How Deep Is Your Love. Group member Sisqó had solo hit singles including Thong Song and Incomplete. Jagged Edge is a male vocal quartet with hits including Where the Party At, Let's Get Married, and Promise. SWV, or Sisters with Voices, is a female R&B group with hits like Weak and I'm So Into You. The Carpenter Theater originally opened in 1928, but has since been fully renovated and restored, but it still has that old world feel. It features world-class acoustics and state-of-the-art lighting. Tickets range from $50 to $70 and can be purchased at Richmond Center Stage and Altria Theater box offices, online at etix.com or by calling 800-514-ETIX. I got my tickets, now go get yours. Trust me, you don't want to miss that concert. Now, does your mom like to laugh? If so, I have the perfect idea. Treat her to a show at Comedy Sports. Dying to try something different for Mother's Day this year? Well, you know, the gift of laughter is always appreciated, so why not give Mom the comedic experience of a lifetime? Head on over to Comedy Sports for a great laugh and cool family fun. Now let's go inside and see what improv comedy is all about. I'm here with Christine Walters of Comedy Sports. Thank you so much for having us here today.
I'm so glad to be here with you, and you're such a great comedian and improviser.
Well, thank you.
Good to have you here.
Now, tell us about Comedy Sports.
Well, Comedy Sports is an interactive, competitive improvisational comedy show with 2 teams competing against each other for points and laughs based on suggestions from the audience.
Oh, wow. So why improv? Where does that love of improv come from?
You know, mine personally, it comes from I love living in the moment and creating something. And that's really what improvisation gives us the opportunity to do. We get to live in the moment, create, and be connected with another person. And we like to do that in our shows.
Now, can you take a moment to kind of explain to us what exactly is improv?
Well, improv is creating in the moment. It's being creative, innovative, and connecting and working with another person, accepting offers, committing to yourself and your team, trusting your instinct, and working as a team. So as long as you have a yes and attitude and you're able to connect and live here, you can create comedy.
Now, when I think of improv comedy, I kind of think of Whose Line Is It Anyway?
That's a nice plug for CW.
Yes, exactly. Is it anything like that?
It's a lot like that. Whose Line Is It Anyway is one group of people performing. What we do is we take 2 teams of 4 people, and instead of having MC who explains the games, we have a referee who is the MC of our show, and he calls fouls, he or she calls fouls, and keeps the show running smoothly throughout the entire match.
Awesome, awesome. Now, how do you come up with the different games?
Gosh, you know, Comedy Sports has been around for 30 years. It started in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it's an international show. It's performed internationally, or an international match, and there's over 22 Comedy Sports internationally.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see Comedy Sports in Portland, Oregon, and you can go all the way to Germany and see it in Berlin, Germany. And if we're funny in Germany, gosh darn it, Comedy Sports is funny.
That's pretty awesome. Now, for anyone interested in getting into improv comedy, do you offer any classes?
Why, gosh darn it, we do.
How about that?
We have classes coming up this coming month. At the end of the month, we have a class, and I'm going to be the teacher this round. And if you wanted information about that, you can go to our website at cszrva.com. That's C as Z as in comedy sports, RVA as in Richmond, Virginia, and .com as in the internet.
Now, do you have any specials running for Mother's Day?
Oh my gosh. We are so excited because we're bringing back something that we used to do a long time ago, and we've asked mothers of our Little League, our middle school league, our high school league, and our players, major league players, to come and compete against their kids. So it's going to be really exciting to see the moms come out and play against their kids. And I'm not going to lie, if we have a whole bunch of moms out here, I'm pretty sure the moms are going to beat their kids.
Oh, yes.
I'm just saying.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
One, moms would be voting for moms to win.
Exactly.
But how can a mom, how could you not vote for mom?
On Mother's Day.
On Mother's Day weekend.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for having us.
Well, thank you for letting me be had.
Yes. Now, if you are looking for a great unconventional way to take mom out for a good night on the town, check out Comedy Sports. Mama Nation will be at Comedy Sports Friday, May 9th and Saturday, May 10th. For more information and ticket prices, go to cszrva.com. When we come back, I'll show you a great place that will take away something of yours that'll make mom happy for Mother's Day. We'll be right back.